Hi you guys, so I think I'm somewhat of a picky eater, and this is one of those breakfasts that I can make, and it's very simple and easy and comes out really delicious. And it's only 6 ingredients. Most of these I'm pretty sure you already have, and it's 7 if you like syrup and you would like to add some. So I am using the King's Hawaiian bread. I just think it's a little bit thicker than the regular bread and it's a little bit sweeter. And so here I whisked together all the ingredients that you've seen here, except the butter. The butter I will add to the pan, and make sure that you don't leave in the bread for too long or it will get soggy and it'll get harder to cook throughout. Once you add it to the pan, you want to flip it when you think it's done, and that's pretty much it. I'm plating it with some eggs and bacon and just orange juice as a drink. And well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys like it. Thank you. Bye.